Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, technology package, Uconnect system, hands-free Bluetooth integration, ventilated seats. Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Charger. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.4-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, fog lamps. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, premium sound system, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.